are, right? And so that's what variables are. They represent quantities. So we can see from the first equation, a combination of those three quantities equals 9. And then we have two other equations in which we relate the variable a to b and the variable c to b. Okay? Now, free variable systems can be really tricky. This one is a little easier because you can substitute directly for A and C these rules that have the only variable B. Now, not always can you do that with three variable systems. This one you can, and that's because I made it that way. So, but we can still, so we can solve this, right? We, this is not beyond our ability, right? So I'm going to go ahead up here. I'm going to replace the A and the C. Okay. Well, let me do something with a different color. Okay. And so the C I'm going to replace with the 3B plus 3, and the A I'm going to replace with the 2B plus 1. Now there's no number multiplied in the original equation, so that means that we don't have to worry about the distributive property. Okay, so that's a good thing. It means it's going to be less involved. All right, so here the new equation is 2b plus 1 plus the b that was already there plus what we're substituting for c is the 3b plus 3. And then we still have the rest of the equation equals 9. Okay. Now I'm not going to finish it. You're going to do the rest. So you solve this equation for b, and it's going to be a fraction. And then you get the a value by multiplying 2 times the b and then add 1. And you get the c value by multiplying 3 times that b and add 3. Okay, so I know a few people came a little late. It's a shorter class today, so that's a little problematic. I'm not faulting you for anything. I'm glad you're here. So what I did is I substituted in the first equation using these two equations. And so since a was 2b plus 1, I replaced the a here with 2b plus 1. And since the c was 3b plus 3, I replaced the c with 3b plus 3. And now we have an equation which we can solve for b. So you're going to do the rest. You're going to get a fraction for the variable b. And then to get a, you multiply 2 times that b and then add 1. And to get c, you multiply 3 times that b and then add 3.